kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn ABCD. Colors name: yellow color, dark blue color, light blue color, black color, orange color, pink color and red color. Let's start. A for aeroplane. A for aeroplane. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. C for carrot. C for carrot. D for dog. D for dog. E for eggplant. E for eggplant. F for fish. F for fish. G for goat. G for goat. H for hand. H for hand. I for eyes. I for eyes. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for mango. M for mango. N for nose. N for nose. O for owl. O for owl. P for piano. P for piano. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for ring. R for ring. S for star. S for star. T for tomato. T for tomato. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for village. V for village. W for watermelon. W for watermelon. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. So kids, what we learned today? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABC. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video. Till then, bye.